Hey guys, my name's Bryce, and I just wanted to talk briefly about these ultralight Z trekking poles that I got from Montem. They pack down incredibly small, and yet they're super quick and easy to assemble. And I actually really love the synthetic cork grip handle that they have. It's soft and it's comfortable, but it doesn't get slimy and gross like you would see with other synthetic cork handles when your hands get sweaty. So I lived in Brazil for a couple of years, and while in Brazil, I was walking miles and miles every single day, and um, that just wrecked my knees. Ever since I got these trekking poles, I've been using them everywhere I go. When we went backpacking in Banff, Canada, I took these with me, and it was nice because I could just stick them in my day pack. I'll fold it down if I didn't use them, and I didn't want to. It wasn't all this extra weight, wasn't getting in the way. But when I did want to use them, they were there and they were reliable and they were strong, and they really saved my knee and saved my back as well because they're able to take some of that extra pressure off of everything. Definitely check these out when you get a chance. They're worth it.